friends, you have to see what we caught on the game cam. Just right up there, we caught something on our game cam. I'll go ahead and drop the footage in here so you can see what we found. This is the first time I'm seeing a coyote on our property. Everybody around here has talked about coyotes and said they're all over. I have never seen them. I have heard them pretty far away, but not that close. So that explains why we have been losing some chickens. And what are we gonna do to help stop that? So in this particular spot, we lost one of our chickens a few months ago. And you can see the trail of feathers that went up the mountain. So we know something big had gotten her and was able to drag her away. And then just last week, we lost 2 more chickens. I don't like losing my chickens.
Holy shit, look at him.
So what are we gonna do to help stop this problem? Because, I mean, predators, we're in a rural area. Predators are definitely going to be a thing. And it's just our responsibility as pet owners and as chicken owners that we need to make sure that our chickens are safe as much as we can. And we don't want to lock up our chickens. We've got way too many chickens. We enjoy them roaming around and being free-ranged. So we decided that we're just going to have to get another box. And what that box is for the dogs. We have them all hooked on collars that allows them to stay within a certain perimeter of our property without going outside of it or going too far into neighbors' yards or anything like that. And the boxes that we have only go a certain distance, so we need to add another box. And we need to bring one to the barn. And that way they can go a little past our barn and around this area right here. Because this is where we lost the other 2 chickens in daylight. It wasn't something that happened early in the evening or anything like that. It happened in the middle of the day. And you can see the remnants of the feathers that go straight up the mountain. So I am pretty sure that coyote that we saw on that game cam is what's coming over here and getting my chickens. And they stopped going on that side because the dogs are over there. The dogs aren't over here yet. They can't go past that fence right there. So we need to put something over here so that way they can now protect the barn and all the chickens that are over here. Well, friends, it is 10:30 at night and I just got home from Tractor Supply. And I gotta show you what I got. They see me coming and I did it again. Let's head into the barn. Yep, I got 50 more hens. These ones are Rhode Island Reds and Buff Orpingtons. I don't have any more Rhode Island Reds and I don't have any Buff Orpingtons. So these are gonna be some new ones that I have here on the homestead. I haven't told hubby yet. He's actually at work right now. So comment down below what you think his reaction's gonna be. And I will film it tomorrow morning when he gets home. I'll have him come in here to check on the turkeys and the other chicks and see if he realizes the 50 more that I got in here. I think it's official. I have a problem. I need to go ahead and enter into Chickens Anonymous because I can't stop. Well, the good thing is though, Tractor Supply did say that this was their last batch and they're not getting any more chickens for the season. So it should be good. I should. Can't promise that though. They're so cute. All right, we'll see you in the morning and see what hubby says. And yes, I have been out there for about 30 minutes watching them, making sure that the other chickens don't do anything to the babies. And they don't care one bit about the babies being there. They're going about doing their own thing. And the turkeys are like little mothers to them. They're taking them in. All right, friends, hubby just got home, so now we're gonna go show him what I got. Morning, bub.
What you got?
Can you go check on the chicks for me?
Shoot. You got littler ones? Monica, I think we're gonna need an intervention here.
I picked up 50 more.
How many chickens we got now?
Too many to count. So which one you got there? Let's see. You got a Buff Orpington. And Rhode Island Reds. The little ones.
Oh, okay.
Rhode Island Reds were one of our first chickens to ever get. Other than Miss Lady, who's a Wyandotte. We got a bunch of Rhode Island Reds. A bunch of Rhode Island Reds. And we don't have any left. So this is nice to have more Rhode Island Reds.
These turkeys are crazy.
They love them though.
Yeah, they're running around.
And the bigger chickens don't bother them. All of them are good. Didn't have any casualties last night.
It's been cold.
Alright, I can't promise, but I can almost guarantee I won't get any more this year.
Yeah, we haven't had Rhode Island Reds. Do we have any more Rhode Island Reds?
Mm-mm. Nope.
They all died, huh?
Yeah. All the chicks made it through the night. Didn't have any casualties, and they're all getting along. The turkeys, the bigger hens, the bigger chicks, and the baby chicks. All getting along just fine. Thank goodness. What, Tiny Tim? Alright friends, I was editing this video and realized I didn't close it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.